What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. So I've been messing around with this rig on a couple other algorithms and coins, but today I'm actually going to be flipping it over to unmineable to mine bonk. That way I can swap the bonk over to jellyfish coin. This system has a Ryzen 5 3600G with a RTX 3060, and it's all running on the OEM power supply for this HP, I don't know, gaming computer, something like that. So it was really easy to get set up. I just threw a graphics card in there. Let me go in there and show you guys my setup and the estimated bonk per day. All right, guys, so this machine does have that Ryzen 5 5600G. That's a 6-core, 12-thread. And it also has that 3060 in there. We're almost doing 22 mega hash, and we have it power limited down to 120 watts at 2600 on the memory. Nothing on the core. We're doing 4.5 kilohash on that CPU. So going over to the unmineable calculator, we'll be doing about almost 8,000 bonk a day, so 7,800 on that, and then it was like 3,000 on the CPU, which comes out to about 10,000. So we'll say 10,000 bonk a day comes out to 350 jellyfish per day at the price of 0.0008. So obviously this is a purely speculative play, and if jellyfish goes up, then our mining rewards go up. But if jellyfish goes down, then our mining rewards definitely go down as well. So the only time will tell. I am going to start a video series with this, and I started up an entirely new wallet that's going to be the unmineable wallet. So all the bonk is going to get deposited into there. Great thing about bonk is you get payouts anything over 15,000. So it's super low payouts. So that way you can get it into your wallet, and you will need a little bit of Solana to swap. But then you can get up and going. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know down below, are you guys mining some bonk and swapping over to jelly, or are you trying some other coins, some other speculative plays? Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one, and adios. I missed it in my video, but yeah, 350 jellyfish, just looked at it right now, is about 29, almost 30 cents. So yeah, 30 cents a day on that setup is not great, but nothing's really great right this second. The whole market's in a downturn. But if we see a rise on the price, then obviously it would have been better. And I'm mining to hold it. So yeah, let me know down below. Are you mining? What are you mining? Are you holding? Selling? What you doing, huh? What you doing? All right, guys, y'all have a good one. I'll see you on the next one. By the way, over on the computer shop side of things, I just got in a bunch of 3060s. So EVGA 3060s, Asus Tough 3060, and also have some Zotac 3060s. So keep a lookout for those bad boys. I'll see you on the flip side.